Hi, if you are tired of looking for where to find the option to change the notification sound on Snapchat, so you have to watch this video until it's finished. I will explain how, and I guarantee that it will work for all types of cell phones. So, to change the Snapchat notification sound, go to your cell phone settings. The next step, click on the Notification and Control Center. In the Notification and Control Center options, click on the App Notification. Click on the Snapchat application. Now, you are in the Snapchat notification settings. Here, you have all control to change notification sounds on Snapchat. Then, scroll down, click on Audible Notifications. Click on Sound. After that, change the notification sound with the ringtone on your cell phone. It's possible that in this section there will be a slight difference in appearance, depending on the cell phone you are using. But this is not a problem, you can still follow the steps in this tutorial. After you change the Audible notification, do the same for message notifications. You can repeat the steps explained in this video. If this video solves your problem, please share and like this video. Write in the comments column, what tutorial do you need right now?